Everyone thinks the best-selling hidden alarm clock spy camera is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Gilazix 2K Clock Camera. Let's kick things off with the Gilazix 2K Clock Camera. Priced at just $49.99, this little gem caught my eye because of its impressive feature set for a budget-friendly price. If you want an affordable way to keep an eye on your home, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 2K full-color night vision means you'll get clear, detailed footage even in low light. You can actually zoom in and identify a face from about 30 feet away, which is crucial if an incident occurs. Plus, with the dual-band Wi-Fi, you won't face lag during live streaming, allowing for smooth monitoring right from your smartphone. The AI human detection feature is a lifesaver too, sending instant alerts to your phone if there's any unusual movement. With a 4.4-star rating and over 200 units sold in just the last month, many users are clearly on board. Now, some people complained about the battery life not being as long as expected. Here's the thing though, as long as you keep it plugged in, the battery serves as a backup, so if you're using it regularly, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a discreet way to monitor your home without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need something super high-end or if you're focused solely on long battery life. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for real-time security monitoring. Product number 2, JOOKACE Hidden Camera Clock. Next up is the JOOKACE Hidden Camera Clock, priced at $79.99. What grabbed my attention was its 4K Ultra HD resolution. You're really getting a lot of detail for your money here. If you want top-notch clarity for peace of mind, this one is definitely worth considering. The device connects to both 2.4G and 5G Wi-Fi, intelligently selecting the best signal to ensure smooth streaming on your phone. That's a big plus if you're in a busy household. The setup is super easy too. It'll have you monitoring in no time, and the motion detection sends alerts directly to your phone, making it a worry-free option for security. With a rating of 4 stars and over 63 reviews, it seems users appreciate its functionality. However, some reviews mentioned issues with customer support when setting it up. Now, I'll be real with you, this can be frustrating, especially for those who aren't tech-savvy. But for most users, the camera's ease of use outweighs this drawback. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable camera with excellent resolution for monitoring your space. Skip this one if you're looking for something with extensive customer support or simplicity over features. Now, if Gilazix's minimal battery life bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 3, VISHANGYAS 5-in-1 Camera. Our third pick is the VISHANGYAS Hidden Camera, priced at $149.99. It's a bit pricier, but what caught my eye was its multifunctionality. If you're looking for an all-in-one device, this is a solid contender. This gadget does more than just spy. It also serves as a Bluetooth speaker and a wireless charger. The Super Night Vision capability is impressive, letting you capture clear images even in the dark. Plus, the motion detection feature sends real-time alerts so you can act quickly if something seems off. With a perfect 5-star rating from users, it seems to be hitting all the right notes. Now, some users pointed out its higher price point as a downside. Here's the thing, while it's more expensive, you're getting multiple functionalities that might save you money in the long run. So if you're looking for a multi-purpose device, this could still be a great investment. This is perfect for you if you want a camera that does it all while ensuring security. Skip this one if you're only looking for a straightforward camera without the extra features. Alright, that was a great multifunctional option. But the next product offers a unique twist for anyone looking for both surveillance and a stylish design. Product number 4, MEBAO Hidden Camera. Fourth on our list is the MEBAO Hidden Camera, priced at $79.99. This one stood out to me because it combines high-quality video with the functionality of a Bluetooth speaker. If you want a discreet way to monitor your home while enjoying music, this may be your go-to. The 4K Ultra HD picture quality is impressive, so you won't miss any details, and the dual-band Wi-Fi ensures you have a stable connection for real-time monitoring. The Intelligent Alerts feature is another bonus. It sends notifications directly to your phone when it detects movement. With 4 stars from 48 reviews, it seems to be delivering on its promises. However, a few users noted that the setup can be a bit tricky. Honestly, if you're not tech-savvy, this could be frustrating. But once it's up and running, it performs well and is worth the initial hassle. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish and functional device that also keeps your home secure. Skip this one if you're not comfortable with a bit of technical setup. Now, if you found the multifunctionality of the last product appealing, this final one wraps things up in a very user-friendly package. Product number 5, QAOLZCC Security Mini Camera. Last but not least is the QAOLZCC Security Mini Camera, priced at $76.99. This one is interesting because it offers a choice between 4K and 2K resolutions. If you want flexibility in image quality, this camera might just fit the bill. The motion detection alerts sent directly to your smartphone keep you in the loop, ensuring your property is secure. Despite a slightly lower rating of 3.9 stars from 84 reviews, it's still a popular choice among buyers. Some users mentioned that the app can be a bit clunky at times. Here's the thing, while it can be a bit frustrating, the core features work well enough that many find it acceptable for the price point. This is perfect for you if you want a flexible camera that offers a range of resolution options. Skip this one if you're looking for an app with a smoother interface. So we've looked at 5 great hidden alarm clock spy cameras today. The Gilizix offers a budget-friendly option with decent features, while the JOOKACE impresses with 4K clarity. VISHANGUIAS stands out for its multifunctionality, MEBAO combines style and security, and QAOLZCC gives you resolution flexibility. Each of these has its strengths, so think about what fits your needs best.